Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best steam irons that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of spending 30 to 40 minutes ironing a single shirt, only to still see stubborn wrinkles? Regular irons often struggle with thick fabrics, heavy creases, and don't deliver consistent steam. If you're dealing with piles of wrinkled clothes and slow ironing sessions, this is exactly the frustration the Martisan steam generator iron is built to solve. This is the Martisan digital steam generator iron for clothes, 1800W, purple, a high-pressure steam ironing system designed for fast and deep wrinkle removal. 1800W strong power heats up quickly for faster ironing sessions. 8-bar high-pressure steam penetrates deep into thick fabrics like denim and curtains. 550G/min steam burst, powerful burst steam for stubborn wrinkles. 1.9L large water tank, longer ironing without constant refilling. Continuous steam technology, smooth, uninterrupted ironing flow. Ceramic sole plate glides easily and reduces fabric damage risk. Smart auto shut-off safety feature for peace of mind. Pros: extremely powerful steam output, fast heating and efficient wrinkle removal. Large tank reduces interruptions. Good safety and modern features. Cons: bulkier than regular irons. Higher price compared to standard models. Requires more storage space. Perfect for households with heavy laundry loads, professionals who need crisp clothing daily, or anyone dealing with thick fabrics like jeans, bedsheets, or curtains. Not ideal if you only iron occasionally or want something ultra compact. At around $239.99, it sits in the premium category, but the high-pressure steam system and large tank make it a strong value for heavy-duty ironing needs. Number 4. This is the Rowenta Master Steam Station VR8338, a professional-grade steam iron system built for fast, deep, and effortless wrinkle removal. 1750W power, fast heating with consistent performance. High-capacity 57-ounce water tank, long ironing sessions without frequent refills. 400 microsteam holes, stainless steel sole plate, even steam distribution for smoother results. Built-in pump system maintains strong, continuous steam pressure. Continuous steam technology, steady steam flow for efficient ironing. Rapid heating plus even heat distribution saves time and prevents fabric damage. Steam control function adjusts steam levels based on fabric type. Pros: excellent steam penetration for tough wrinkles. Very large water tank for long use. Professional level ironing performance. Durable stainless steel sole plate. Cons: bulky design takes more storage space. Not the cheapest option in its category. Takes up more setup space than a standard iron. Ideal for households with heavy ironing needs, professionals who need crisp clothing daily, or anyone dealing with large laundry loads like bedsheets, uniforms, or curtains. Not ideal for light, occasional users or small apartments with limited space. At around $199.99, the Rowenta Steam Station offers strong value for a semi-professional ironing system. You get powerful steam performance and durability at a lower price than many premium competitors. Number 3. This is the Rowenta Focus Excel Steam Iron DW5280, a powerful everyday steam iron designed for smooth, precise, and efficient wrinkle removal. 1725W power output, quick heat up and stable performance. High-precision steam distribution helps remove wrinkles evenly across fabrics. Stainless steel sole plate, smooth glide and durable build quality. Anti-drip protection prevents water leakage and stains on clothes. Manual steam control lets you adjust steam based on fabric type. Compact design, easy handling and storage compared to steam stations. Pros: strong performance for an affordable price. Lightweight and easy to use. Good steam control for different fabrics. Reliable anti-drip system. Cons: smaller water tank compared to steam stations. No advanced pump or high-pressure steam. Not ideal for very heavy ironing workloads. Best for everyday home users, students, or families who want a reliable iron for regular clothing like shirts, trousers, and casual wear. It's not meant for industrial-level ironing or large laundry piles. At around $74.98, this is a solid budget-friendly option from Rowenta. It offers dependable performance and good build quality, making it a strong value choice for daily home ironing without premium steam station costs. Number 2. This is the OMAIGA 1500W cordless steam iron for clothes, a modern wireless iron designed for quick, flexible, and hassle-free ironing. 1500W rapid heating system heats up quickly for fast ironing. Cordless design, greater freedom of movement without cable restrictions. Ceramic nonstick sole plate, smooth glide and reduced fabric sticking. 11.84-ounce water tank, decent capacity for multiple garments per fill. Auto shut-off safety feature, turns off automatically for protection. Self-cleaning plus anti-calc system helps maintain steam performance and longevity. 3 temperature settings adjust heat for different fabric types. Pros: cordless freedom makes ironing easier and faster. Good safety and maintenance features. Lightweight and simple to use. Ceramic sole plate glides well on most fabrics. Cons: needs frequent recharging on base for continuous use. Steam power not as strong as steam stations. Not ideal for heavy-duty or large laundry loads. Best for small to medium households, students, or anyone who wants quick daily ironing without dealing with cords. Great for shirts, uniforms, and casual clothing, but not suitable for heavy professional ironing. At around $76.69, this cordless iron offers good value for convenience-focused users. You're mainly paying for mobility and ease of use rather than industrial-level steam power. Number 1. This is the Rowenta Focus Excellence DW5433 Steam Iron, a premium everyday iron with strong steam power, smart display, and precision ironing control. 1750W powerful heating, fast heat up and consistent ironing performance. 400 plus microsteam holes, stainless steel sole plate, even steam distribution for smoother results. LED display, control panel, easy to read settings and temperature monitoring. Retractable cord reel system, cleaner storage and better convenience. Steam boost function, extra power for stubborn wrinkles. Anti-drip plus anti-calc system prevents water stains and extends lifespan. Precision tip design, better control around buttons, collars, and tight areas. Continuous steam technology, steady steam flow for efficient ironing. Pros: strong, even steam performance. Very user-friendly LED interface. Retractable cord adds convenience. Great build quality and durability. Cons: slightly higher price than basic irons. Not as powerful as full steam stations. Cord system adds a bit of weight. Perfect for everyday home users who want a reliable, premium quality iron with modern features. Ideal for shirts, office wear, and regular household laundry, not for industrial level or bulk ironing. At around $109.99, this sits in the mid-premium range. You're paying for Rowenta's durability, strong steam system, and convenience features like LED control and retractable cord, great long-term value for daily users. If you want faster, smoother ironing with modern features, check the link in the description for today's price. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more product reviews like this.